In this video, we are going to talk about the set theorem. First, the definition of set, and also we talk about the types of sets, the union of sets, intersection of sets, properties of union and intersection of sets, Venn diagrams, and work examples. Set is the collection of well-defined objects. Examples are: 1. The set of real numbers. The set of real numbers are any number at all is a real number, like 0, 0.1, -1, -7, -0.7. They are all real numbers. 2. We have the set of integers. Set of integers are also odd numbers. We have from -infinity. We have -2. They are also set of integers. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Number 3, we have the set of prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers that when divided by any other number except 1 and itself, it gives decimals or fractions. Example of prime numbers are: we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and so on. Check all those numbers. There is no other number apart from itself and 1 that can divide those numbers. There is no other number. If you use other numbers to divide it, it will give you a fraction or a decimal number. Let us look at the types of sets that we have. In our videos, we are going to discuss the 5 types of sets, which are the universal set, finite set, infinite set, empty sets, and as well as the subset. Let's look at the universal set. Now, the universal set. Universal set is a set that contains all elements under consideration in a particular problem. Let's look at the diagram of a universal set. In this diagram, let's say we have a set A and B. Now, the universal set will be, all these are what? The universal set. The shaded part is the universal set. All the elements inside this square or inside this set is called the universal set. Now, the second one, we have the finite set. A finite set is a set with limited number of elements. Example is the factors of 12. Now let's go to the third one, the infinite set. Infinite set is a set with unlimited number of elements. Example is the set of integers. We have the set of prime numbers, the set of real numbers. They are all what? They are infinite sets. Now, the fourth one, we have empty set or null set. An empty set is a set with no elements. It is denoted by phi, or just a set without elements. The last on our list, we have the subset. A subset is a set whose elements are contained within another. Let's check example. Let A be a set containing the numbers 1, 2, 3, and B, a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, A
Set
is a subset of B, written as A subset of B. Now let's look at the union of sets. Union of two or more sets is a set containing the collections of all the elements of those sets without repetition. It is denoted by the U sign. For example, let A set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, and B be a set containing the elements 3, 4, 5. Now the union of A and B will be equal to the set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we have the set A as 3 and the set B as 3 also. We only take 1 3 for the union. We cannot repeat it. We are not in a union. We are not repeating the elements. We only take 1 and then collect all other elements. Do you understand? Now let's look at the intersection of sets. The intersection of two or more sets is a set containing all elements that are common to all the sets. It is denoted by N. Example, let A be equal to the set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and B be a set containing the elements 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the intersection of A and B, written as A intersection B, is equal to the set containing the elements 3 and 4. If you check the set A and the set B, you see that this 3, there is 3 in set B and there is 3 here. Now you take 3, then you check again, we have 4 and we also have 4. Now if you check, there is no other number that repeats. Now the intersection now will be what? The 3 and 4. If you have watched up to this point, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more. Check my channel for the part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching and bye for now.